It's often said that time is the most precious commodity we possess. And in the world of finance, every second counts. So at CapitalXtend, we understand the value of time. And that's what sets us apart. Time is of the essence. We give you the power to amplify your trading potential like never before. Offering a 0.0 spread from leverage of up to 1 to 5,000. Stop out level 10%, 350 plus trading instruments, 24/7 multilingual support, and 100% negative balance protection. Our platform consistently rolls out multiple exciting offers, ensuring traders experience both thrill and profitability. From a 30% welcome bonus to a global trading contest to get a chance to win $10,000 cash, we've got your success in mind. With CapitalXtend, you can enjoy uninterrupted transactions via your favorite payment method. With the leadership of Mr. Farouk Adib, we strive to embody a corporate ethos that goes beyond profits, reaching into the heart of societal well-being. CapitalXtend has received various awards and recognitions, a testament to our dedication and the trust our clients place in us. So join us on this journey and experience the power of time in every trade. As we step into 2024, wishing you a happy new year. May your Forex journey with us be immensely successful. With precision akin to a clock's tick, our dedication promises to elevate experiences, ensuring each second holds unparalleled significance. So brace for a future where time becomes a canvas, painted with the strokes of CapitalXtend's commitment. Smart platform for smart investment.